Hello everybody, it's Lightning Productions here, and today I'm going to be reacting to Freddy and Friends, the Christmas special by AnthonyTheHedgehog, StudiosSFM. I didn't get to react to this before the premiere ended, because I was too late, so that's why the premiere ended, but I'm going to react to it now, so let's get into this. Oh. Bro, really? Also, Merry Christmas, guys. No, that's probably fine. What? Ice cream Bonnie. Well, that was an experience. There is an alternative ending coming out tomorrow, and I will react to it then. But until then, thank you guys for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.